Assalamualaikum and very good day to my lecturers. My name is Muhammad Syakban bin Nordin. In this video, I want to talk about our assignment. Our group is nuclear power generation. My part is introduction. Nuclear power is generated mainly through the process of nuclear fission, which is rein an atom. The fission generates heat in the reactor, then it will heat up the water surrounding the fuel rod. The water will then be changed into the steam and to turn the turbine and enable the generator to produce electricity. Background study of our assignment is, purpose of the study is to study about the type of power generation that available in the world, but it focus more on nuclear power generation. This is because nuclear power generation is the best mechanism for power generation and attract our interest to know more about it. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nabil. I am from RK23 G1. So in this presentation, my part will be theory. Main components in a nuclear power plant would be: number one, nuclear regulator, process of nuclear fission and accretion. Two, heat exchanger, raise that in heat exchanger. Number three, steam turbine relate to produce mechanical movement. Number four, alternator, convert mechanical power to electrical power. So as you see, the block diagram of nuclear power plant will be starting from the nuclear regulator, ended in the exterminator. All these components together to produce power.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Najib. I'm from RK23. So for my part is mathematical model, and for dynamic model, the equation using a single combined delayed neutron group are as follows. And for the control, the reactivate induct by control rods and feedback effects due to core fully cloned temperatures and pressure. We use this formula. Equation for the fully lump of thermodynamics model is as follows. That is average full temperature, and the C is specific heat of the full, and M is mass of the full. The equation of average coolant temperature are the mean value of inlet and outlet coolant temperature can be rearranged so that related time constants become apparent. So the formula is as follows. A heat balance for primary coolant lamp 1 BRL1 yields. The formula is as follows, and BRL2 lamp 2 is the formula is follows also. Mostly the same. So, and the heat balance of the tube metal lamp 1 density and specific heat for lump 1 and lump 2 is the same, is the formula as follows. And secondary coolant lamp requires performing mass and volume balance in addition to energy balance, and the formula is as follows. And for the turbine model, the last formula is we can obtain, it's this one, the last one.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Denishli. So I'm going to present about the difference of the three nuclear energy based on its location, total generated power and total cost. So the first one is Bruce nuclear power generating station, and the second one is the Olkiluoto nuclear power plant, and the third one is nuclear power plant in Sinavoda. So the first is Bruce nuclear is located at the shore of Lake Huron in Ontario, and the second one is Olkiluoto, which is located in the Finland, and the third one, which is nuclear plant in Sinavoda, which is located in Romania. So the total generated power for Bruce in 2001 it produced 20.5 terawatt hours. So in 2004 it produced 34 terawatt hours, and in 2015 it produced 47.64 terawatt hours. And for the Olkiluoto, it can produce 890 megawatt of electricity. And for the nuclear power plant in Sinavoda, for unit 1 it produces 705.6 megawatt of electricity. For unit 2 it produces 706 megawatt, and unit 3 and 4 produce the same capacity of 720 megawatt. and there is no currently plan to complete Unit 5 at this time. So for the Bruce nuclear station, it costs around 3.9 billion USD, and for the Okinawa nuclear power plant it costs around 8.5 billion, and for the nuclear power plant in Singapore it costs around 6 billion USD. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim Bashel. Our topic is nuclear power generation. I will talk about advantage and disadvantage at the system. Let us start with the advantage. So first thing, environment friendly. 2, low maintenance. 3, reliable. And 4, low cost operating. And 5, generate high amount of electrical energy and provide stable amount of energy. So now let us talk about disadvantage. First, harmful, leak potential, nuclear waste disposal issues, and expensive and not renewable. In conclusion, nuclear power generation has its advantages. It produces a small volume of waste. The output is easily controlled, reliable, cheap to operate, and high amount of electrical generation and low maintenance. On the other hand, it produces radioactive waste that remain toxic for long period of time, makes it hard to dispose. Nuclear power is not renewable and cost of maintenance is high.